Namaste. Srishti Academy and team traveling in BMW. When we travel with musicians, dancers, and eminent dance gurus, we used to discuss about korvais, jatis, and abhiprayams. This one abhiprayam suits for these two eminent personalities. Let me recite the korvai first, and you will be able to identify who they are. Tatakkadataka tarakatum ta tum ta tum tatakkadataka tarakatum tatakkadataka tarakatum ta tum ta tum tatakkadataka tarakatum tatakkadataka tarakatum tatakkadataka tarakatum ta tum ta tum. I think it is difficult to identify with this korvai. Let me recite the same korvai with their names. Tatakkadataka tarakatum ta tum ta tum tatakkadataka tarakatum tatakkadataka tarakatum Leela Samson tatakkadataka tarakatum tatakkadataka tarakatum tatakkadataka tarakatum Sheila Unni. Yes, they are my dearmost Leela Samson Akka and my well-wisher dearmost Sheila Unni ma'am. Pranams to them.
Namaskaram. I'd like to heartily congratulate Sri Ganapathy Subramaniam sir and his Srishti Academy of Music and Arts on their first anniversary. It is the small institutions like this that are doing human service for the arts, keeping it alive among our young people with genuine knowledge and appreciation for our traditional arts. They must receive full support of our society, especially in times like now when the COVID is afflicting us. My hearty congratulations and felicitations.
I have had the opportunity to work with Ganapathy sir since 2009 and he has contributed to most of Sridevi Nrityalya's productions as a percussionist. Every recording session of his is an enriching learning experience for me. Who can impart perfect knowledge to students in any chosen field? Only the one who masters the art has experience and a gifted aesthetic sense combined with patience and passion to teach. Yes, Ganapathy sir, who has all the qualities, started Srishti Academy of Music and Arts to impart his knowledge along with his wife Mrs. Gayatri and his beloved daughter Bhavya. I am sure this will be the best academy to learn music, rhythm, music production with practical, theoretical and technical aspects under one roof. I congratulate Ganapathy sir and his supportive family members for the first anniversary of Srishti Academy.
Namaste. Many congratulations to Srishti Academy of Music and Arts on completion of the first successful year. As a student of this academy, I am convinced of the efforts taken by Sri Ganapathy Subramaniam sir and his team members in sharing authentic knowledge and also passing on values and culture to the next generation. I wish this academy a great success and I hope many more students benefit from the knowledge that they have to offer. Shubhamastu.